You know, I was very lucky and I won a LDO Positron at 3DPrintopia. Here is my story. Hey, Zach here. Welcome to this video. The Positron from LDO. It was on my wish list for a while, and also when I did the interview with Nomad from the Positron, I said I'm not going to beg for a Positron 3D printer because I know that people are going to buy this, and you know, when the time is there, going to get the money and then I'm going to buy it for myself. I will see when it is going to happen, but you know, lots of good luck with it, and you know, we will see when I will buy my own. Yeah. Going to events, there are a lot of rumbles or lotteries or stuff like that where people have the opportunity to get a ticket and then hopefully people will win it. And with these kind of days, a lot of people can enter these kind of rumbles, stuff like that. I'm not really sure how the official name is for it. I go to these events to record a lot of footage to show the people how amazing these events are. So on Sunday, I knew that around 12 o'clock there was going to be a raffle for the LDO Positron, and I was thinking like, what would be the odds? And seeing also a lot of visitors, I was like, you know, I can always try, you know, doesn't hurt anyone. So I took one of the tickets, I put one half of the ticket into the filament box. I moved further because it was like 11:30 a.m. 5 to 12 I came back and was talking to the guys. I had a lot of fun, and then I saw a lot of other tickets being put in the box. The box was shuffled by Justin, you know, like holding the opening close and then shuffle really big time with it, and then hand it to one of the kids to grab one of the tickets out. How big is the chance of winning of all those tickets? There's always be a lucky guy or girl winning something like that. And what do you know?
3D, and we are now giving away a LDO Positron kit with printed parts. All right, we are shaking up the box.
Anthony.
Oh, we got a few more.
I gotta make my way back through a crowd.
All righty. Ultra affordable printing coming to you. All righty. Ultra affordable print. Our one person is picking the ticket now. I am on max volume now, so it's the best we can do. Well, repeat the number. All right, the winner of the LDO Positron kit is ticket number 312. Ticket 312. Yo!
Here, is that correct?
Won the printer.
Yeah. How are you gonna get it home? How you get it?
You better build it.
So having this huge box and all the printed parts, I was flabbergasted. I was amazed. I didn't see this coming.
So, yeah, I don't know what to say. I'm flabbergasted. I mean, last time at Rocky Mountains Rapper Fest, I won the LDO Saturn 4 Ultra. And now with winning the Positron, I didn't expect any of that.
Some people were also jokingly saying like, rigged. You know, I know the full story. I know what happened. I saw it happening and I didn't expect that. And you know what? I don't mind. I can show you all the things about the Positron. But I got a little other challenge. Having this huge box with an unassembled 3D printer it was a kit, and I asked the guys to put it back behind the booth so I could take it home or take it back to the hotel later. After the event, some of the guys said like, hey, how are you going to bring it back home? And I was already thinking about that. And they suggested to assemble it in the hotel lobby. So the official name for this LDO Positron is because Justin and Joe put a lot of time and efforts in the hotel lobby in order to assemble the whole 3D printer. They started in the evening with it.
The second tab.
Why did they make things true to like that? No, I had.
Because they have to.
I guess so.
Where's that part you had, Mitch? I need it.
It's magnetic.
Yeah, I just used this one, so like this or something.
Well, because of the soldering iron and the heated inserts issue, they had to get a soldering iron from a Best Buy or a Home Depot in order to put the heated inserts in. And me going to printed solid, they were putting a lot of time and efforts in it to assemble this positron as fast as possible so that they could put it in the Pelican case. There were some little small things that I had to do once home, but the thing is, I was very low weight packed. I had a lot of spare room in my backpack in order to get, you know, like boxes of filament or other stuff with me back to the Netherlands. But, you know, I couldn't make a choice what to buy in order to take it back home. Now the funny part is, there was enough room to put the whole Pelican case with a positron in the backpack. It was heavy though. Although the positron isn't that heavy, it was heavy on my back, and the backpack was stuffed. Everything had to be moved. Some things I had to throw away in order to save some space, but I got it back home. At home, I put the Pelican case here in my studio, and on Friday evening I decided to put a heated insert into the print head because that was one of the things that had to be done, and also tension the belts and tune it a little bit. I did try to print with it, but the positron is a little bit sketchy. It's something that I need to get used to, but you will see more videos about the positron on this channel, I promise. If you made it this far in this video, you are amazing. Thank you for that. If you're not subscribed, subscribe and like this video, and check out